You know, the coronavirus pandemic is going around. And if you guys have noticed, I'm wearing a mask. I made this mask out of a handkerchief. But you guys need to know how to do it. Alright, you guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to make this simple and easy mask in 3 simple steps. The things you're going to need is a rubber band. Any size, it could even be like a hair tie. You just need a rubber band. You're going to need a handkerchief as well, and that's pretty much the 2 things you're going to need to make this. Now the first thing you're going to want to do with your handkerchief is you're going to want to grab it from corner to corner, making a triangle like this. You've probably done this to put it around your head or something, and you'd roll it up and then put it around your head. But no, you're going to get it like this, and you're going to put it on the bridge of your nose right here. You're going to put it to the base of your neck. Now you don't want it up here. If you put it up here, it'll cover up your ears, it'll slide down, and you won't be able to tie it very easily. But if you put it down here, it's more comfortable to wear, and it's easier to tie. So just like that, you're going to tie it on. Once you have it tied on, you're going to notice that I was right, and that it stays on very easily. But then you're also going to notice you're going to have all of this extra fabric down here, and there's actually a place for the air to come through. And so what you're going to do with your rubber band is you're going to double it up. You're going to hold it like this, cross it, like that. You're gonna grab the end and put it through the rubber band and slide it up as far as it can go. The tighter this part is, probably the safer you'll be. And then you'll have it on like this. You'll have it, it kind of looks like a tie, a really, really short tie. Then you're gonna roll it up very tightly, and then you're gonna roll it up this way. Pull out the flap here and tuck it inside. Then as you can see, it's tight around my neck. And it's tight right here. It's tight all over my face. So everything I'm breathing through is coming through the front right here. And then if you want to take it off for a moment, just pull it down and then you can put it back on. It's like a bandage mask. Now, a few things about the coronavirus mask. As you guys know, coronavirus spreads very quickly and it's better to have a mask. But it is kind of dangerous because you're not really being protected from other people's germs. You're also kind of protecting other people from your germs. But say someone coughs on you and you're doing this, right? You're really close to your eyes. You're getting the germs from the mask to your eyes. You could be getting your own germs into your eyes. And so it's very important that you wash the mask. You don't just use it, take it off, let it sit, and then use it again. You gotta wash it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this one more time so then you do not forget. I got your classic bandana right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay it flat and you're gonna grab the corners like this and you're just gonna lift it up. Right? It's super easy. You just lift it up and you have this triangle. So after you've made your triangle, you're going to grab each end and bring it around to the base of your neck. You're going to make sure the middle of the triangle is on the bridge of your nose, on the bone. You're going to then tie the 2 ends together at the base of your neck. The next step is to grab a rubber band and double it like so, and then pull it up the loose end as far as it'll go. You could do this to make it tighter. It's very important that it's as tight as it gets. The next step is to roll it up, and then you're going to pull out. You're going to pull on the handkerchief a little bit, and then you're going to shove the loose end in there. Well, there you have it, guys. You have an easy mask. Now this is very effective. It's double layered and it is a very easy way to make a mask. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Adam and that's all I have for you today. Comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, I'm Adam and I'll see you guys next time.